Me give my introduction to the class first of all. So my name is Sai Kumar. So I live in Hyderabad only. Basically, I'm from Warangal, but I live in Hyderabad. So I'm having around 8 plus years of experience in the 8 plus years of experience. Okay, years of experience in complete data field. So I worked as a first one is like I worked as a machine learning engineer. Okay, ML engineer. Okay, so after that I worked as a deep learning engineer. Okay, so data scientist. Okay, so data scientist after this one. So I worked as a AI engineer. Okay, AI engineer. So last one, my experience is, I mean, not last one, computer vision engineer I worked with. So computer vision engineer. So different roles are there. So our last one is I recently worked with AI. Okay, AI engineer. I mean Gen AI engineer. Okay, Gen AI engineer. So that is the understanding, guys. So engineer. So these are the my complete roles I served in the complete 8 years of experience. Okay, so in this one, majorly I worked with clients. Like for example, if you want to see the clients from I worked on, so those are like a national projects also are there and international projects are there. For example, if you see, so in the from the national side, I worked with the so in India, completely in India. So I worked with JSW, okay, PNG, so BPCL, okay, so HPCL, okay, and HPCL and SAIL, okay. So these are the some important projects I worked on. So where I played a major role as a designer actually. Okay. So in the international projects means I worked majorly. I worked with what is that aviation side completely. So if you know Brussels Airport, okay, Brussels Airport, okay. So next one like a Dubai Airport. So where we have implemented the complete generative here. Why? Because they need some chatbot kind of thing. Okay, so that is the reason in this complete aviation project. So I given the my contribution in the side of the generative AI engineer. Okay, so Dubai Airport. Okay, and ADR project. So last one is like a AirAsia project. So AirAsia project. So these are my clients. So I worked with this kind of clients, guys. So I'm having these things. And after this one, so this is completely my industrial experience. So not only this one, I'm having as a technical trainer, I'm having a 7 plus years of experience. So 7 plus years of experience. Okay, in the technical trainer. So I trained in the machine learning, deep learning, data. So everything. Okay, complete data science, full stack. So generative AI engineer completely. I trained the students almost like I trained the like a 25k plus students. Okay, students students and 500 members. So that is my experience, guys. So from the today onwards, so if you are interested to learn the complete generative AI with me means, so I will be assisting you in the learning the complete generative AI along with the good projects, end-to-end projects. So these are not a normal projects, guys. The projects will be end-to-end means along with the development of the model, along with the engineering and the deployment will be there. Okay. So we will be discuss. Okay, we are having a 3 days discussion, right? So in these 3 days, so I will be discussing so many things regarding our generative AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. Okay, so and after that and some important discussion of the chatbots. So these kind of things I will be discussing in these 3 days. So in these 3 days, guys, based on your working domain, I will try to change your perspective of thinking, okay, about the artificial intelligence. So what the scope is there? How much? What is that? Opportunities are there in the complete AI field. So I will try to showcase in these 3 days. Okay. So let us understand. So our agenda is for these 3 days. I would like to discuss. Okay, if time permits means we will discuss everything. If not means we will. We will extend that discussion in our regular classes. Okay, so I will discuss completely with first of all generative AI. Okay, generative AI. Okay, AI. So we can say it is like an introduction, intro. So this is our first agenda. After this one, we will discuss about artificial intelligence. Okay, intelligence. So which is a major one, guys. So which is like a backbone for the generative AI. Okay, so we will discuss the artificial intelligence. Okay, and we can say machine learning. Okay, and last one is like a deep learning. So we will see what are the individual one and what is the difference between the artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Okay, so that is the thing. So next one is, so we will see the generative AI recap means, so recap means we will do the one mini project here. Okay, that means let us explore the chat gpt here. Chat gpt. So chat gpt we will explore here. After this one, so we will do one mini project. Mini project means, so based on the, I'm having some data, for example, I'm having, for example, one data is there. So ChatGPT is a general okay application means it has everything. Okay, complete like a medical data, engineering data, everything is there. But it is like a general. Now pertaining to the my own domain, my company data is there. So particularly for that data only, I would like to build my own chat gpt for my company. So that is a thing, in the mini project I will be discussing that thing only, where so we can able to build our own chat gpt with the help of the chat gpt api only. Okay, so that is the discussion we're having in the complete so these 3 days, guys. Okay, so understood what I'm saying, and also we will be discussing opportunity scope of the, after discussion of the complete generative AI. So what is scope actually? Okay, I mean, what are the packages we are getting and what are the roles are there? Okay, so everything I will be discussing in these 3 days. Okay, is that fine? Is everything is cool?
Yeah, okay, fine, Sai Kumar.
Yeah, great. Yeah. So for example, yeah. Now let us understand the generative AI. Okay, it is a very broad term, guys. Is a, I mean, concluding the generative in the single class is impossible actually. But let us try to see the, so some important things of the generative AI. So for example, I'm saying that generative AI means, so something like a, it is generating something. Okay, generating something, generative. Okay, using the AI. Okay, here using, so generative AI means simply I'm writing here. Okay, and that if you can able to so divide these two terms, so it is generating something using the AI. Okay, here key term is what actually, so it is not learning something, it is not what is that so seeing something, but it is by itself only it is generating something. Okay, it may be images, it may be videos, it may be text, any kind of data maybe. Okay, using what, using the artificial intelligence. Okay, so our artificial intelligence is like a heart for the our generative AI. Without artificial intelligence we cannot able to do with our generative AI. Okay, so in that one let us see the some of the good applications of the our generative AI. Okay, good applications of the generative AI. So guys, in the two things are there. One is the AI will be there. AI means so sometimes we have to show the data. Okay, based on the data only it can, so for example existing data only it is showing to us. Okay, but generative AI means it is not the existing data, but based on the given data it is generating by itself, it is generating the new data for the so given input actually. Okay, so in the same thing we will see the one of the so good applications in this one. So let me open my browser here. If you see, you know, everybody know the chat gpt, right? So it is, I mean, nothing to show actually, but I will try to show you the things here. ChatGPT is something, guys, based on the given prompt. Okay, guys. I mean, also prompt means we will be learning the prompt engineering also in this one. So okay, yeah. So the thing is, so based on the prompt we have given, so it is generating the data based on the our input. For example, so how to prepare, okay, prepare. So Hyderabad biryani, okay, Hyderabad biryani. So we know that, right? So if I give this the input to this so ChatGPT, it can able to give the complete recipe of the complete Hyderabad biryani. We can able to prepare these things. Of course, for the cooking purpose, we're having some other artificial intelligence applications are there, but ChatGPT also can able to give the proper one also. So can able to see, guys, how much clearly step by step it can able to give the data. So we can able to see here. I'm having a GPT is there, right, guys? Okay, so Chat GPT is there. Okay. Before that one, we're having a one more GPT is there. Exact version is I didn't remember, but GPT is there. So GPT also kind of the generating kind of thing, but the thing is the disadvantage with the previous version of GPT is, okay. So the thing is like a it don't have the interface. Okay. So if you want to exact the rate of the chat GPT means, so chat GPT is having that much what is that usage, and so got that much fame because of their interface. Okay, because of this interface, what is the interface you are seeing? Okay, with the having the search box here, and so much this because of this interface only, ChatGPT got that much fame actually. But before that one also, one GPT is there. I mean, I didn't exactly remember the GPT version, but it is also giving the proper. I mean, when we get a given prompt based on that, it can able to generate the output. Okay, but not in the interface. So that is the only difference between these things. And of course, some version things also there. Some train data also given to the this ChatGPT kind of thing. Okay, so that is the thing, guys. So this is the one of the our generative AI kind of application. Okay, so which is generating the a new data, a new information based on the our artificial intelligence. Okay, so for building this chat GPT, guys, so there may be NLP will be there, there may be transformers. Okay, some embeddings will be there for implementing this or creating this chat GPT. So I'm introducing the very new terms to you. So we will be learning the what is the meaning of the terms in the upcoming classes. Okay, maybe in the next class also maybe. Okay, so that is a one of the our good generative AI kind of application. And if you see, so DALI also there, for example, so which will create the based on the given prompt, it will create the one image for us. For example, so if I give one prompt like that, so generate okay a image, generate a image. I'm giving you one prompt, I'm giving one prompt here, image. So a black Audi car, a black Audi car, okay, standing standing in New York City. New York City. Okay. New York City. Okay. New York City. So beside of beside of lion. Let us see. It can able to generate or not. Beside of lion. So it is generating some based on this prompt given. It is generating some image for this one. Let us see that one. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Hola guys, can you see? Can you able to see, guys? So a black Audi car which is standing in on the New York City, and beside I'm having a one lion. Okay, guys, can you see how much competition it required, guys? How much competition? How much what is that network is required to so generate the this based on this prompt? It is generating this kind of beautiful image within the no time actually we can say. So guys, so we will be discussing how can we build such kind of applications, so using the generative AI, we will be seeing in the upcoming classes. Okay, so that is a one of the good application. And also not only this thing, guys, we're having a so we know right our AWS Code Whisperer is there. Okay, and we're having which is this one GitHub Copilot is there, where we're having the so it will generate the code instantly based on the given prompt. And also if you see the Google Colab, where we're having a chatbot, Gemini chatbot for the generating the code for that thing. So everywhere there will be a so these kind of applications are there. Okay, so this is only possible because of the generative AI, guys. Okay, generative AI. Okay, so we will be discussing these things in the an implementation part in the upcoming classes for sure. Okay, so is everything is clear, guys, up to this point? Is everything is fine?
Yeah, it is.
Can you able to understand? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ah,
Yeah.
yeah, great. Thank you. Thanks for the response. Yeah. So this is a something, okay, some limited applications only, but in the upcoming classes, I will showing the so in the with the help of cloud platform, okay, some LLMs I will be using for the generating the this kind of applications. Okay. So okay, that is a some simple applications of the our generative AI. Okay. So let us understand. Okay, let us understand the so what is the generative AI? I mean, if you want to give the what is that like a definition for the generative AI means. Okay, so generative AI means generative artificial intelligence, artificial intelligence. Okay, intelligence means okay. So I'm giving you the some technical, not technical. So of course technical it is. So generative artificial intelligence definition, Gen AI we can say. So is a the type of is a type of, okay, so type of AI, of course, artificial intelligence. So that can be that can create, of course, that can create, okay, new content. New content, of course, I'm saying you that it is a new content, not existing content. So generative artificial intelligence is type of the AI that can create the new content, not existing one. So if you see, for example, if you see the machine learning kind of thing, so that may produce the existing one only, but in this one, so we're having the new content, it will create the new content for us, okay. New content, such as, what is the example, such as audio, okay, audio, and images, we can say images, so text, okay, text, code, okay, and videos, etc., and videos. So like that, this is generative. So generative artificial intelligence is a type of AI that can create the new content such as audios, images, text, code, and the videos. So we will be working audios, okay, recently we are developing this thing, but we will be so discussing the images, text, code, and the videos. So let us see audio kind of thing, if you can able to implement this thing, so it's well and good actually. Okay, let us see that thing. Okay, yeah. So that is something about a technical information, a definition of the our generative AI. Okay, it is going to create the a new content, okay, which is not there actually. So based on the existing content, it will create the new content for us. Okay, so that is called as a our generative AI kind of application. Okay, now we will understand what is the, okay, I told you, we will understand what is the artificial intelligence, what is the machine learning. So this thing, right, let me copy paste this thing. So what is the artificial intelligence and what is the machine learning, okay, and what is deep learning. So these are the terms, guys. I will be giving you the brief, okay. So what is that information of the each and everything, so that so understanding will be very good in the generative AI kind of thing. Okay, so let us understand this thing. So first of all, artificial intelligence. So if you want to understand the artificial intelligence means, so artificial, yeah, please. If you don't speak anything means you can go to the mute. Okay. Okay. So who are the newcomers are there? I will be taking your introduction in the end of the class. Okay. Yeah. So artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is a broad, we can say, it is also kind of a broad field in the computer science. Okay. Let me write the thing. So artificial intelligence. Okay. So artificial intelligence is a, we can say, is a broad field of, okay, one second, field of so computer science, of course, we know computer science. Okay, so that focus on, I'm giving you a clear definition, focuses on creating the intelligent system. Okay, intelligent system. Okay, system, so capable of, what is the, okay, what is the result of this intelligent system. So those are capable of, okay, capable of, so performing, let me complete this, guys, performing so tasks, okay, tasks that typically this is an important term. So typically, one second, typically require human intelligence. Okay, human intelligence. Okay, so let us understand. Artificial intelligence is the broad field of computer science that focus on creating the intelligent system, so capable of performing the tasks that typically require human intelligence. So if you know, for example, for doing the some typical tasks, okay, so uh, on that time our human intelligence is very important. So based on the human intelligence, we can able to solve the any kind of problem. Okay, it may be critical problem, any kind of problem we can able to solve. So that is the thing, right? Now, same thing, we are with the help of artificial intelligence, we are taking the same intelligence that focus on the creating the intelligent, okay, intelligent system that capable of the performing the task that typically human are required. So intelligence actually. Okay, that means, so what are the humans can able to do the task? For example, any typical task is there. So human can able to do the by spending some time. So by spending some intelligence, so you can able to solve the any kind of problem actually. The same way, artificial intelligence are the same thing. That can also perform like a human being. Okay, it can able to apply the intelligence of the human being. Okay, so and also ultimately it can able to solve the problem. Okay, So that is the understanding of the artificial intelligence, guys. Okay, as of in the first class, I'm giving you the very, so what is that, a brief introduction to the artificial intelligence only. So let us understand the our, so some example now. Okay, for example, if I'm having a, okay, if you want to understand the artificial intelligence in the very layman terms, I will show you that thing. So I will, let me take 5 minutes to discuss this thing. Okay, so if I want to understand AI in layman terms, very easy words, easy terms means, okay, let us take one baby. Okay, I'm having a very baby boy or baby girl. Okay, I'm having a baby actually. So how the baby can learn something? Okay, so here, for example, I'm showing one apple to the one apple is there actually. I'm showing that apple to the my baby actually. Okay, so my baby can able to see the what is the shape of the apple, what is the color of the apple, and what is that any other things are there in apple. So which is means baby can able to find out the which is in the round shape and which is red in color. So that is the apple, right? Okay, like that baby can able to find out some patterns, find out some, okay, some patterns are like we can say, so patterns are some let us take patterns only. Okay, patterns means what the patterns are there in the apple, so which is in the round in shape. Okay, round in shape, and round in shape, and red in color. Okay, red in color, so that is called as a our what is it, our apple, right? Our apple. So the next time, next day, I like that. If I keep in front of baby, if I keep a bunch of fruits now, bunch of fruits. Okay, bunch of fruits. Bunch of fruits means it may have the, in that bunch of fruits I'm having a, so like a banana is there, pomegranate is there, like a, so watermelon is there, and apples are there. So some different fruits are there in the bunch of fruits. Now based on the, okay, my baby can able to see that bunch of fruits based on the, okay, what is that patterns he had to learn. Okay, baby already learned the some patterns, so which is the red in color, okay, and round in shape, that is called apple, right? So by seeing that bunch of fruits, my baby can able to, by what is the, remembering that okay, the patterns, it can able to pick that apple from that bunch of fruits. Okay, understood how the things are going to learn. Okay, our baby, how the things are going to learn. So same thing, guys, our artificial intelligence also like a, our simple baby only, our AI also like a baby only. Okay, so how the things are going means, so for example, if I give, I given that so for the AI, I mean, for example, a robot kind of thing. Okay, a robot. Okay, a robot is there. Now I would like to robot to classify between the, identify the, given the two fruits. One fruit is like a what is a banana, okay, banana, and one more fruit is like a apple, okay, banana and apple. So now I'm asking robot to first of all, okay, pick the apple from this one. So same way, before this thing, I need to make us a robot to understand about the apple first of all. Okay, for that reason, that is called as a, okay, so to make our artificial intelligence, our robot to understand about the, so apple, so that is called as a model training phase. Okay, so I'm introducing the very I mean, what is that to say, new terms to you, model training phase. Okay, means what is exactly model training means, where, so I will provide the, I will show the, for example, a 10,000, like a 5,000 apples to the 5k apples to the, okay, our robot. So by seeing that, so each and every apple, I will show that I will show that this apple to the our robot. So robot can able to find out the, so what is the different shape. Okay, so from that 5,000 apples, it can able to learn the so many things. Okay, so it can able to learn the so many patterns. Okay, patterns like a color, shape, any other things are there. So it can able to learn. At the end of the day, when I give the one bunch of fruits, my robot can able to find out the, what is that, find out the, what is the apple in the bunch of fruits. Okay, completely in the, if you take the baby or a robot kind of thing, what is the common thing, guys? So finding out the patterns, finding out the feature map, we can able to say, technically it is like a feature map. So so that is a feature map. Okay, patterns means what, simply what is the color, what is the size, what is the shape. So these kind of things are the patterns. So I will be discussing the more about patterns in the upcoming classes. So as of now, for in the layman terms, I would try to explain the what is the artificial intelligence means. Okay, so that is the artificial intelligence, guys. So that means we are doing something like we are giving the our human intelligence to the our robot or our robot kind of thing. Then we can able to say that means artificially we are giving that intelligence, right? So that is the reason we are calling it as a artificial intelligence. Okay, how the human beings are learning something. So same way, same pattern we are finding. We are trying to make us learn the robots also. So artificially, that is called as it is called as a our artificial intelligence. Okay, so understood what I'm saying is, so that means, so for this one, for training, for make us our robot to understand, our artificial intelligence to understand what is the thing, guys, we need to do. So we have to show the data first of all. Okay, we have to show the data first of all, then only by having the data only our robot can able to learn something. That means if you don't show anything to the our robot means robot don't know anything. For example, baby is there, if I don't show anything to the our baby, so will baby can able to learn anything? Of course not, right? Same way for the our AI kind of thing. So guys, in the first class itself, I'm trying to make you understand with the help of layman terms only, but in the upcoming classes I will make you understand with the very technical terms and with the help of implementation part also. Okay, so that is the end for today, guys. So these are we're having some more time. So in between, if I start the machine learning means it will take so much time again. So that's the reason I'm stopping here. So in the tomorrow's class, I will be giving you the some use case of the machine learning, very beautiful use case of the machine learning, how the machine learning can able to learn. Okay, what is the deep learning? Okay, so what is exact deep learning and what is the difference between the machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence? Okay, and most important thing, so in the complete in the entire universe, so who is the intelligent species, guys? Okay, our human being. And why human being is the most intelligent species in the entire universe means, so let us try to understand in the tomorrow's class. Okay, so this is time for you guys. So if you're having any questions, you can ask me. So regarding the generative AI and also who are the new people are there, so you can give the introduction to yourself. Okay, to the class.